In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, by the dawn, and by the 10 nights, and by the even and the odd, and by the night as it moves on. Is there not in this an oath for one who possesses understanding? Have you not seen how your Lord dealt with the people of Ad, the people of Iram, owners of lofty pillars, the like of whom had never been created in any land, and with Thamud, who carved the rocks in the valley, and with Pharaoh, the Lord of great power, who transgressed in the lands, and spread much corruption therein? So your Lord poured upon them a scourge of punishment. Indeed, your Lord is ever watchful. As for man, when his Lord tests him by honoring him and blessing him, he says, "My Lord has honored me." But when he tests him by restricting his provision, he says, "My Lord has humiliated me." No, rather, you do not honor the orphan, nor do you encourage one another to feed the poor, and you consume inheritance greedily, and you love wealth with excessive love. No, when the earth is crushed completely, and your Lord comes, and the angels are lined up in rows, and hell is brought forth on that day man will remember, but what good will remembrance be for him? He will say, "Oh, if only I had sent something ahead for my life." On that day, none will punish as he punishes, and none will bind as he binds. O soul at peace, return to your Lord pleased and pleasing. Enter among my servants, and enter my paradise.